Hi everyone, my name is Hilary Ilkay. I'm a senior fellow in the Foundation Year program. I'm also the Associate Director Academic for the Foundation Year program, and I'm here today to answer some questions about the Emily Wilson event that's happening as part of the Alex Fountain Memorial Lecture right here at King's on March 6th. Emily Wilson is a professor of classical studies at the University of Pennsylvania. She's published numerous monographs and works of translation, but she's most famous for her amazing translation of Homer's Odyssey, and now, most recently, as of last fall, her translation of the Iliad. Emily Wilson's work is important because she brings conversations and questions about the role of translation in the way we encounter texts into a more mainstream discussion. And she brings these Homeric epics to life not only for a new generation of students and readers, but for people like me who have been nerds for a long time and love reading these works, and it seems like I'm encountering them for the first time. Emily Wilson is coming here to the University of King's College because the students nominated and eventually voted for her to come give the Alex Fountain Memorial Lecture. This annual lecture brings some absolutely incredible speakers to King's, and Emily Wilson is no exception. The students are abuzz with excitement, and I'm a little bit excited myself. Emily Wilson's lecture is called Retranslating Homer, Why It Matters. So as the title implies, she's going to be thinking about why we still need new translations of Homer. There are so many that exist, but I think Emily Wilson's work is proof that these translations never get old and can help us rediscover these old works for a contemporary world. This event is open to the public, but preference will be given to King's College students. So if you're a student, get here early, make sure you get a seat, but don't worry, if you're not in Halifax, the event will be live streamed. This event is generating so much enthusiasm because the Iliad and the Odyssey are two foundational texts, dare I say, to the Foundation Year program at King's. Students love reading them every year, and they're super excited to meet a translator in person, especially one whose translations are so dynamic and exciting to read. And I'm sure they're gonna have tons of interesting questions and comments about the specific choices she makes. I mean, complicated for Palutropos, iconic. You can buy your copies of Emily Wilson's translations of the Odyssey and the Iliad, both stunning, here at your favorite basement bookstore, the King's Co-op bookstore. And if you want more information about this event, visit ukings.ca/fountain lecture.